Hi everyone, I'm Josh with STEM Labs over at the Albuquerque Public Library, and today we're going to learn how to power a boat using only soap. So the first thing we need to do is go around our house and collect some supplies. We're going to need scissors, dish soap, Q-tips or toothpicks, plastic or cardboard. Either one would work as long as it's thin enough to cut with scissors and it'll float on water. And we're going to need a pan to hold our water. So once you have all that gathered up, grab your plastic or your cardboard, and we're going to cut out a rough 2-inch long boat shape from your plastic or cardboard. In this case, I went with plastic, but we're going to be referencing from our cardboard one because it's a little bit bigger and easier to see. So once you have that cut out, it's very important that we cut a hole in the back of our boat. What that hole is going to do is that's where our soap is going to be held. Now, after we have that hole cut, we want to take our scissors and cut another chunk out of it, but just a sliver, so we have an open exit for the hole and for our soap to leave. Now, once you have that done, you're basically ready to sail, but let's talk about science for a second, okay? So how does this all work? So surface tension is the key of the day today. And surface tension is held because water molecules hold tightly together, almost like a net. And when that net breaks, they spread apart in all directions, and that's where our soap comes in. So soap is a surfactant, and our surfactant breaks apart our water molecules, sending it flying in all directions. All we're gonna do today is harness that and send it in one direction, propelling our boat in the other. So once you have your boat shaped, take a little bit of dish soap on your Q-tip, just like this, and we're gonna place it inside the hole that we cut for our boat, just like that. You don't need too much. And once we place it on the water, it's going to break that surface tension and propel it forward just like this. There we go. Soap powered boat. I'm Josh with STEM Labs. We'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks.